Hello, good day. Today we're going to be looking at BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 21. BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 21. To make powerful magnets, we use an alloy called dash. To make powerful magnets, we use an alloy called dash. A. Alnico, B. Aluminium, C. Cobalt, and D. Ferrite. Now they say to make a powerful magnet, we use an alloy called dash. Now an alloy to make a powerful magnet, and like we know, for a powerful magnet simply refers to permanent magnet. That is, these magnets cannot lose their magnetic property. No matter the condition in which they are faced, they cannot lose their magnetic property. They cannot lose their magnetic property. That is, they cannot be demagnetized. So, and the question says to make a powerful magnet, we use an alloy called dash. Now B here says, let me start from B. B here says aluminium, and like we know, aluminium is not an alloy, because an alloy is simply made up of the combination of several metals. Alloy is formed via the combination of metals, like the combination of iron and cobalt, iron and nickel. So that's how you get an alloy. But aluminium here, B says aluminium, and aluminium is not an alloy. Aluminium is an element, a metal, an element, just one metal, and aluminium is not an alloy. But we are asked to find an alloy which can be used to make a powerful magnet, so definitely aluminium is out of the option because it's not an alloy. Likewise, cobalt also is an element, is a metallic element, it's not an alloy. Cobalt is not an alloy, but it's a metallic element, and the question says which alloy can be used to make a powerful magnet. So we have to note this word, alloy and powerful magnet. And cobalt here is not an alloy, it's an element, so cobalt cannot be an answer. Now D here says ferrites. If you look at this ferrites very well, you might want to be confused, but actually ferrite is actually made up of the combination of iron and some metallic elements like barium. So ferrite is actually formed by mixing large proportion of iron, large proportion of iron, then with other metallic elements such as your barium, your manganese. Now you can refer to these ferrites as alloy. You have to refer to them as alloy. But now ferrites cannot be used to produce a powerful magnet. Ferrites can be used to produce just temporary magnets. They cannot be used to produce powerful magnets. It's just temporary magnet they can use to produce. And a powerful magnet simply means permanent magnet. Like I told you, a powerful magnet simply refers to permanent magnet. Now A here says alnico, and alnico is an alloy. Which is composed of iron. It's composed of nickel, aluminium, and cobalt. And that is where it derived its name from, alnico. Aluminium, nickel, and cobalt. And this alloy is a ferromagnetic. It has a ferromagnetic property. That means it can attract a magnet, and it can be used to produce a powerful magnet. Alnico here can be used to produce a powerful magnet, that is a permanent magnet. Alnico is used to produce a permanent magnet. So our answer to this question is alnico A, because we are asked to look for an alloy that can be used to produce a powerful magnet. And like we know, aluminum is not an alloy, cobalt is not an alloy, ferrite is an alloy but cannot be used to produce a powerful magnet or a permanent magnet. But alnico here is an alloy of iron, nickel, aluminum, and cobalt, and that's where the name arises from, alnico. And like I said, it can be used to produce a permanent magnet because of its ferromagnetic property. So the answer is A, alnico. Alnico is an answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.